Drop. Oh my gosh, he dropped it under Rue. Welcome back to another cooking episode, you guys. We're making fajitas tonight, and I'm pretty excited about it, so let's get rolling, shall we? Fajitas on the menu. Get out of the thorns, Blue. Aussies. Alright, I'm gonna throw on another layer really quick because it's been super cold and rainy all day and I'm freezing. Also, I live in XL t-shirts. If there's any other ladies out there like that, you know what's up. Do you guys know that one time I was wearing this shirt and I went over to this girl's house and she literally looked at me and she's like, "Oh my gosh, I love Kiss." It's like, awkward. This isn't Kiss, babe. This is a Rolling Stones. These are so warm. I've seen them made. Oh, freezing. Freezing. What are you staring at me for? Come here. Bubby, come on. You want me to throw it? Okay, drop. Sneak peek. Alright, you can't see it anymore. Oh my gosh. It's so cold. Fair warning, just like last time, guys, it is windy and my audio, my microphone isn't working, so I'm using camera only. It's probably going to be windy. Sorry in advance, the audio sucks, but it is what it is. Okay, we're going to fix it soon. Alright. I'm low-key freezing. If you watched the last cooking video, you know that I didn't have anything like a cutting board, a knife. Oh crap, I didn't get cooking spray. Oh well. We're still missing stuff, so that's okay. But anyways, I did get a lot more utensils and things and seasonings and such, which you would have known if you watched the last vlog too, so I don't know why I'm saying this. But anyways, I think I'm going to do it a little bit different this time and actually cut stuff up before I start the stove, so I'm not wasting time. I'm just a little bit more prepared today, so let's get to cutting stuff out. Actually, I should probably just put this on the ground, so I'm going to be using a lot of it. Where are my scissors? I sailed on the mountains high. Ugh. Coffee creamer covers everything still. Just clean it up, Maria. I know. I also don't have a knife, so we're just gonna cut things this way. I've never cut a green pepper with scissors before. I guess I don't need a cutting board if I'm not using a knife, but whatever. Semantics. Oh my gosh, my hands are so cold. Okay. I forgot cooking spray, so let's just hope this doesn't burn. Can you put refried beans on a pan to heat it? I don't know. Probably, right? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, these scissors are pretty handy. They're pretty top notch here. I got two phones, one for the plug and one for the load. Dad, if you're watching this, I hope you're proud that I'm cutting with scissors and not a knife. My dad always tells me that I make him nervous because I don't cut well with knives. I'm always gonna lose a finger, so. Take that, Dad. Okay. Huh! That is so nifty. Get my bowl situated. Oh, please work. Oh my gosh. Forgot. Season it. All right. I'm gonna start a little garlic salt. And then I want to try this little goat went to Cuba. It's the spice mix. We'll see how it works on fajitas. Smells good. Oh, open. It's so cold. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna make myself colder by getting an ice water out, getting out of bubbly, because I like to suffer and I don't do anything half-assed. So if I'm gonna be cold, I'm gonna be really cold. Well, nothing's like sticking, so I'll take it that it's not that big of a deal that I didn't bring spray. I got 2 phones, one for the plug and one for the load. Comment below if you know that song. Woo! You know what? I'm also not certain that I can put refried beans in a sauce pan. I don't know, you guys. I'm not domesticated, okay? So I'm just really winging it here. And I don't really have any other way to heat it, so we're just gonna throw it in the pan with all that crap and see how we do. Or maybe I should do it after. Like take that out and then heat up the beans? I don't know. We'll see. No, I'm just gonna, you know what? I'm just gonna throw it all together. And hey, back up. We're just gonna see how it fares. And if it doesn't do well, I won't do it next time. So we'll do that. Now do stuff. Heat up. And mix well. See, I don't know if this is gonna mix well, but we're really gonna hope it does. Because it doesn't really make sense to have cold refried beans and hot sausage, peppers, and mushrooms. These are some janky fajitas, but you know what? We're doing them in the back of a Subaru, so to be honest, I'd give myself 4 out of 5 stars. One for the plug and one for the load. I got 2 phones. How many phones I got, Blue? 2. Love you. Get hot, sucker. You guys, this kind of looks like dog food, but I bet it's gonna slap. I'm gonna test it. I'm the best Subaru cook there is. I'm not gonna lie to you, that slaps. That slaps. Buddy! Alright. I would say this is almost ready, so I guess I'm just gonna put this in my bowl. I don't know if I wanna... I kind of want to heat up my tortillas, so I guess I'll use 2 bowls. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll use 2 bowls and transfer the contents into here. Toasty toast. Wow, that was an amazing idea. Good job, Maria. Think I need 2 more. Oh, ring, ring, ring. You guys ever get songs stuck in your head? For me today, it's Kevin Gates, so. Anyways. Blue, your mom's a chef. How does that feel? You know what? For not having much, we're making do. Alright, I'd say that's about done. Let's get these suckers ready. Look, I know this looks like dog food, but trust me, this is gonna be dope. This is gonna be amazing. Making janky fajitas in my 2007 Subaru Outback. That is not self-sufficient and independent. I don't know what is. Although, is it technically fajitas if it's sausage? And I forgot onion. I did a first impression review for you guys, but my camera battery died, so I just had to swap that out. So we're just gonna fake it. Okay, we're gonna refilm this and pretend like I didn't already take a bite. Wow. Honestly? It's like a 7.5 out of 10. It's super good. I would totally make this again. I probably would do like more onion and veggies. I'm sure I'll mess around with it as we go on. But honestly, for my first time making fajitas in the back with 2007 Subaru Outback in the middle of nowhere, I'd say we did pretty good. I definitely need to get cooking spray for next time. Oh my gosh, it is freezing. Alright, you guys, it's been real. Thanks for tuning in to watch me make fajitas in the back of my Subaru Outback. I'm sure there's a lot more to come. Blue, don't get into the trash, okay? Anyways, we're gonna go edit now and then go to bed, so we will see you in the next one. Bye!